Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making this keto Big Mac salad. It's super delicious and easy. It's one of my favorite meal prep meals that I've been eating lately. So I've got a pound of lean ground beef in this skillet here. We're gonna cook it and crumble it until it's cooked all the way through. I'm gonna season it with this Montreal steak seasoning, McCormick Montreal steak seasoning. I mean, this is actually it's really good ingredients, and it's delicious. It gives it that really, that Big Mac flavor, like the beef flavor that, the McDonald's has, and it just has that flavor, it's really good. So I think this really drives home that Big Mac flavor. So I'm gonna I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna sprinkle it on here to season the ground beef. You can put as much or as little as you want, or you can leave it out. When this is cooked through, I'm going to taste it and see if it needs any more salt, and I'll add some salt if it needs it. Okay, our ground beef is browned. Let me taste it just to make sure it's got plenty of seasoning. Needs a little salt. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to set this aside, and now we can assemble our dressing for the salad. Okay, let's make the dressing. We've got a half a cup of mayonnaise. So this is like the sauce on a Big Mac. 2 tablespoons of sugar-free ketchup. 1 tablespoon of minced onion. 1 teaspoon of keto-friendly granulated sweetener, 1 teaspoon of dill pickle relish, a teaspoon of white vinegar, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon of water, and if we need to add more to thin this out, we can. So I'm going to whisk this up. So that's pretty good, but if you wanted to thin it out a little bit more, you can, but I like that, how thick that is. So that's ready. Now let's assemble our salads. Okay, we're going to assemble our salads. I've got a bowl here with a couple of cups of shredded lettuce. You can use whatever lettuce you like. I'm going to top it with our ground beef and make a mess. This is enough beef to make 4 servings. Some ground beef, some cheese, some shredded cheese. Our dressing, and a few tomatoes. I don't think Big Macs have tomatoes, but who cares? Okay, how good does that look? Let's get a bite. That is so good. And I love that dressing. Guys, you're gonna love this salad. Be sure you check out this other delicious recipe for a chicken taco salad. The chicken on that salad is amazing. You've got to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.